Welcome to the Kingdom Hotel here at the Land of Legends theme park in Turkey, Antalya. We've just had the most incredible stay at this hotel, and I think it's the perfect all-inclusive for families and theme park fans. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a complete overview. We're going to look around the hotel, see all the facilities from breakfast, access to the theme park, the inclusive pick and mix, and I'm also going to be sharing my thoughts and honest review as well. So come along, there'll be timestamps in the description if there's anything in particular you're looking for, but I can't wait to show you around the Kingdom Hotel. Now, as you can see, the building is absolutely magnificent and the size of this hotel is crazy. It's been absolutely beautiful here in Turkey and we have had gorgeous weather. Now, the first thing that I want to show you is the all-inclusive pick and mix bar. So let's head into the lobby and get some sweets. So here we are. This pick and mix bar is exclusively for hotel guests and you can have as many sweets as you like. This is my favorite thing, coming back from the park and building myself a little tub of sweets. So when you come inside the hotel, this is where you're going to check in. And then over here is guest relations. This is where you can get your wristbands activated. You can book excursions such as swimming with the dolphins. And you can also book to visit the partner hotel, the Rixos, and we'll talk about that a little bit later. Now, I just wanted to head out onto the balcony to show you the incredible views of this hotel. And as you can see, that right there is the Land of Legends theme park. And that is how close it is to walk here from the hotel. So this area here, this is called the Shopping Avenue. There's lots of shops and restaurants, and this part is completely free to visit. But then just over there is where you'll go through to the Land of Legends water park and theme park, and I will show you a little bit of this in this video as well. We're now going to head down to the basement floor because that's where most of the fun is at. I love how interactive the hotel is. Look, that's me. I'm a tiger. Oh look, he's got his hand up because I'm holding a vlogging camera. Right, let's go downstairs. So this area here is where you can come and have a mocktail, a cocktail, or a milkshake. There's so many seats, and my favorite detail is they even have these little steps for children to be able to go up to the bar and order themselves. There's lots of milkshakes here. My personal favorite has been the chocolate. If you're staying at the Kingdom Hotel, you'll be on the all-inclusive package, meaning you can have as many drinks as you like. You can also get ice creams from here as well, such as Twisters. Now, if you didn't know, when you're actually at the Land of Legends theme parks, everything is paid via your wristband, and this is one of the cash points where you can top up. There's also a little photo store here where you can buy photos from the parks. Now, a detail I think so many people are going to love is the PlayStation section. Look how many PlayStations there are. At night, this section is so popular, and you can sit and play some games. We've seen a lot of FIFA, we've seen Spider-Man. There is a lot going on here. There is also an arcade in here, and all of the games are free to play, which is lovely. Now through here you have the spa, and some things are included with your stay, such as the swimming pool and the gym, but then there are some things such as treatments which are additional cost. Now another place you can come and have a drink is here at the Legends pub. I love the theming in here, this is so good. And if you're into your sport, you'll be pleased to know they do show football games in here. What I also love is there's lots of outdoor seating areas as well. So you can sit out here and you'll be served lots of all-inclusive drinks. And it's so nice to sit and enjoy the sunshine. And as you can see, the size of the hotel is just absolutely massive. It is such an impressive building. We've stepped outside of the hotel and literally here is the theme park entrance. It is so close, which makes it so easy going back and forth to the park during your stay. Now, if you are staying at the Kingdom Hotel, you will get unlimited access into the theme parks, which is great. The theme park and the water park is in one, and you can go back and forth between the two as many times as you would like. Now this here is the shopping avenue that I was telling you about, and we're just making our way towards the chateau because I have to show you this. Now it is important to note that all of the restaurants you see in the shopping avenue are not included in your all-inclusive. When we get to the room, I'll tell you a little bit more about what you can and you can't use with your all-inclusive, but these will all be additional costs as they are not part of the hotel. So here is an even greater view of the castle, and I just can't believe how quiet it is around here. If this was Disney, this would be absolutely rammed with people. It has been so quiet during our visit at the Land of Legends, and we have literally walked on every single ride. There has been no queues at all, and it has been amazing. But wow, look at this view. In the evenings, there is a nighttime show down here, and there's also like projections on the castle, and the vibes are just so good in the evening. Just doesn't feel real. Oh my goodness, and we're just heading back to the hotel, and there's literally a show going on out the front. Now, coming back into the hotel, I'm going to show you where the restaurant is, where the kids club is, and then we're going to head up and do a room tour. Over here is where they do the entertainment for the children in the evening. I've seen magicians, they've had balloon artists, there was a DJ, character meet, so there's a lot going on for kids down here. So straight down there is the Antalya restaurant, and I'm going to show you some footage of breakfast and dinner in a second. But here is the Kingdom Club. This is the kids club. So we're now going to head to the room, and this hotel is absolutely massive. We're staying on the left side, but there's rooms all down to the right as well. And I love how colourful and fun these corridors are. Look at how they've displayed the room numbers, and you'll notice some of the helmets have a red ring. That means do not disturb. And then you can put a green ring on, which invites the housekeeping to come in and clean your room. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you walk into the room. So we have 2 single beds. We then have this really fun chair. I'm kind of obsessed with this. After a busy day in the parks, you can just kind of lay back here. Now, what's really cool is there's actually a projector up there, and then over here, there's a pull-down screen. Now, I believe you do have to put a deposit down to rent the controller. There is also an in-room PlayStation, PS4. Is that a PS4? I think that's a 4. You can rent the controllers. But yeah, so that's really cool to have in room. This is the television. It's a really nice size. And then I want to show you guys my favorite part. So when you stay here on the all-inclusive, everything in the minibar is refilled once a day, and it is completely free. So usually, you know, don't touch the minibar. You're going to be charged loads of money. But if you're staying here, all of this is included. So we've got like iced tea, we've got some snacks in there, Sprite, Coke, Fanta, mineral water, bottles of water and milk as well. So yeah, make sure you're using these because every day they get refilled. You've got lots of mirror space down here, and what's really cool, and I can't wait to use them, we've got some Land of Legends robes, you've got an ironing board, you've got a safe in here as well, and I did also see some Land of Legends slippers. Here they are, how cute are these? Also, we've just come back and we've had housekeeping, and look what they've done to the curtains, isn't that so cute? And with all the rooms, you get a balcony as well. There's this really nice bench area. You get tables and chairs, and then this is our view, which is really cool. So we can actually see some of the water slides over in the distance. And then I just wanted to show you guys the bathroom as well. Ignore all of our stuff. So there's a really handy makeup mirror, which actually turns on. So that's really good in the morning. You've got a hairdryer, a big mirror, loads of sink space. And they actually give you like loads of free little toiletries. I mean, there's like cotton pads, toothbrushes, bath loaves. They've got it all. This side is the shower. I assume this is like a step stool for kids. I don't really know. This kind of rock thing. There's body lotion. You've got, oh, it's gone very echoey. Shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, little mini shower, and a big rainfall shower. And then when we checked in, I was so confused. I thought, do we have 2 showers? No, of course, it's a toilet. So over this side, you have a loo as well. And a really fun detail is at the bottom of the sink, there's actually this little pull-out step for children. So say kids want to like brush their teeth, they can stand on this. And I just think it's such a good little detail. So I've just come onto the balcony, and I thought I'd show you the leaflet you get given when you check in. And this tells you everything you need to know about the all-inclusive at the Kingdom Hotel. So breakfast is between 7 and 10:30, or it goes up to 11 on the weekends. Lunch is from 12:30 until 2:30. Now currently the restaurant in the park, the Mungo restaurant, that is closed. So we've been having lunch at the hotel, but I believe in the summer season there is a restaurant you can go to in the park. There is a snack buffet from 2:30 till 4:30. We've personally not done this as we've had so much food. And then dinner is from 6:30 until 9. The kids club downstairs, the Kingdom Club, that has a lot going on and it runs till 10 o'clock, which is very late. Things like ceramics, woodwork, modern art, face painting, and tattoo and nail art. And then over here, you're gonna see all the information for where you can eat. The Legends pub is open 24/7. You have the Nissa bar, which is where you can get those milkshakes I was showing you. And the best part is your mini fridge is restocked once a day for free. We have loved this. And then there's a few different places in the parks where you can pick up soft drinks and ice creams. It is so handy being able to walk around and just picking up a cold drink for free. Now, like with any all-inclusive, there is going to be things that are extra charge. For example, slushies or certain alcohol, certain snacks and ice creams. For us personally, we've really enjoyed the all-inclusive here. And I think so long as you come in with a clear knowledge of what is and isn't included, you're going to be fine. I know some people get disappointed as they assume everything here is included, like the McDonald's and the Domino's pizza. That is definitely not the case. But yeah, for us, we've completely enjoyed it. And I've personally really loved being able to get free drinks in the theme park. It's made sure I've stayed super hydrated. All they will do is scan your wristband. Everything is done via the wristbands here. And what I love is this hotel is for hotel guests only. They don't let anyone else in, so it's really exclusive. Now, speaking of food, I'm gonna insert some clips of the breakfast buffet and the dinner buffet as well, so you can see the kind of things that were included.
Okay, so starting off, we have a lot of bread, every kind of bread you could want. Oh, Joe, they do have toast. You could get some toast. And then we have loads of pastries over here, which is like Sophie heaven. Ooh, look at those donuts. We have more pastries over here. So many pastries. Then over here, we have lots of different cheeses. More cheeses. Oh, they look a bit like cheese strings. More cheeses. And then over here, this is the hot breakfast, isn't it? Oh, they got like eggs, omelets. Oh, Joe, they have beans. There was honestly so much yesterday, we couldn't remember what was here. Potato croquettes, potato with eggs. They got onion rings, sausages and chips. What have we got over here? Ah, different types of oats. Okay. Mixed fried vegetables, oats with milk, rice with milk, milky semolina. Over here, we've got different types of yogurts, and I think this is like a build your own granola station. Got some Turkish pastries here, and then these are like dried sweet fruits. This is the best section. They have halloumi, and these pancakes are thick like American pancakes. There's also ice cream cones, and then this is where you pump the chocolate for your pancakes. Then we've got loads of kefir yogurts as well, literally loads. And so much fruit as well. And then here we've just got kind of more dried fruits and sauces. Turkish delight for breakfast. And they only serve this at the breakfast. We've also got meats and olives. More meats. In case you fancy it early in the morning. Lots of fresh salad as well. And then these big bowls with cereals in if you like a bit of cereal for breakfast. Okay, so we've brought our breakfast outside. How gorgeous is it? There's loads of seating indoors, but we wanted to sit outdoors today. So I've gone for a very sweet plate. We've got some pastries, some fruit, and the pancakes. And then Jay has gone very savoury and very English. Are you excited, Jay?
I've gone for the most British version I could find.
You really have. Oh, and with breakfast as well, and with any of the meals here, you get to order whatever drinks you like. So we've both gone for apple juice, but you could literally have like Coke, coffees, whatever you're feeling. Guess what time it is? It is dinner time. I feel like all we do on this holiday is eat. But it's time to head down and have some dinner, and I thought I'd bring you guys along so you can see what the dinner is like here at the Land of Legends. This is our second night having dinner here, and I have been told each night is different, so we'll go and see. So let's go downstairs and I'll show you what you can eat here at the Kingdom Hotel. So when you come in, you've got bread, and then the pizzas, they always seem to be here, but they're really tasty. We've got different sauces and different hummuses as well, and some salads. Over here you can find soup. It is chicken soup today, and they've got different croutons and toppings. Loads of seasonings. Ooh, over here is the pasta station. That's the most pasta I've seen, actually. Loads of different types of pasta, cheeses and sauces. I know Jay will get some of that. You've also got spaghetti, more types of pasta, rice, and different meats. Different stuffed vegetables and potatoes over in this section. Ooh, chili con carne. More sauces over here. Oh, and they've got noodles. Oh wow, they've got hot dogs today. They look incredible. Chips, onion rings, and then over here we've got fresh chicken and fish as well. More salad, and even more salad. Just a little look at the kids section. There's loads of cartons of milkshakes. This obviously isn't just for children. If you're a fussy eater, this could be good as well. There's salad, you've got baked pasta, creamy pasta, a microwave for heating up baby food. Oh, look at those mini hot dogs. And lots of fruit and dessert as well. And now for the best section, the desserts. Look at these. They are so gorgeous. We've got so many cakes. Then over here, we've got more traditional Turkish pastries and desserts. Oh, these mousses look amazing. Little plates of churros as well, but I think I've had enough churros today, guys. Ooh, lots of fresh fruit. This looks so good. Okay, dessert reveal. They have ice cream. So I got a bubblegum ice cream purely for the color. It's so cute and it is melting. Then I got this really nice looking strawberry mousse, some fruit, and then this cake because it kind of reminded me of matcha. So let's have some dessert. Right, Jay's gone for the coolest desserts ever. Jay, what have you got? Show us your plate.
I have no idea what any of them are, but they all look great, so I'm going to try them.
That one looks like a mushroom. And then that looks a bit like a little mountain.
Yeah.
Now, something else that is worth noting, if you're staying at the Kingdom Hotel, you will get access to the Rixos Premium Belek, and that is one of the sister resorts here at the Land of Legends. Now, unfortunately, the Land of Legends Hotel does not have an outdoor swimming pool, nor does it have any kind of beach access, but the Rixos has both of those things. So if you go to Guest Relations, which was the green desk, you're able to book on the free shuttle to go over to the Rixos. You're allowed to go to the Rixos from 1 o'clock until 4:30, and it is so worth a visit. They have an all-inclusive Starbucks, a beach, they've got a massive swimming pool, and the staff will bring you your cocktails on rollerblades. It's pretty awesome. This is very popular and they do only have a limited number of seats, so try and book as early as you can. We booked 2 days in advance. We really enjoyed going over to the Rixos because it was something a bit different and it is completely free. So even if you only do it for 1 day, I definitely recommend it, but you can go as many times as you like. It just has to be in those time slots. So overall, I have loved my stay at the Kingdom Hotel. This place is so fun, it's so family friendly, and it has really made the Land of Legends for us, and we would 100% come back. Every single staff member we have encountered has been so friendly, so kind, and it's just been a great experience. Now, in terms of perks, I know people will ask, what perks do you get by staying at the Kingdom Hotel? So first of all, you get unlimited access into the theme parks from the day you arrive until the day you leave, so you don't have to worry about buying tickets. You are also in walking distance to the park, so you're not going to have to worry about paying for Ubers or taxis. It will honestly take you less than 2 minutes to get there. You're also in the heart of the shopping district, so you can enjoy all of the evening entertainment, and sometimes you can even experience it from your balcony. I think one of the biggest pros here is the all-inclusive. Being able to walk around the park and pick up a cold can of Coke is amazing, and we've definitely saved a lot of money. The food in the park is very expensive. A lot of burger and chip meals are around £20, so to be able to get things for free, that is really helpful. I'm so glad we booked this hotel. When we were pricing it up, I realized that if I stayed off-site, by the time I booked tickets, I paid for Ubers and I paid for food, I would have spent more than staying here. So definitely don't rule it out. They do also have the Nickelodeon Hotel. I believe that is not all-inclusive, it's full board. And that is definitely aimed towards more younger children. But I know they've got like SpongeBob themed rooms there, Dora the Explorer, etc. So that could be another really good option. And you will get the perks such as the theme park access. So that is my full review of the Land of Legends Kingdom Hotel. I hope it's been helpful, and if you have any questions, do leave them below and I will try my best to answer. If you are coming here anytime soon, you're going to have the most amazing time. It is so worth a visit.